We are pleased to be able to welcome you back into our retail sites and would like to take the opportunity to reassure you that the well-being of our customers and colleagues at Sandown Mercedes-Benz is our utmost priority. We are operating an appointment-only service at present, so please give us a call or get in touch online. We will contact you to confirm your visit 24 hours in advance, but don't hesitate to get in touch to reschedule if you have any concerns or symptoms before your appointment. On your arrival, our staff will greet you with a warm, social distancing welcome. You will also find visual guidance in our retailers, providing reminders on social distancing measures, including floor markers and wall signs to assist in keeping 2 meters apart during your visit. All vehicle touchpoints will be thoroughly cleaned before and after work is carried out on your vehicle. Your steering wheel will be kept covered, and our technicians will be wearing appropriate protective equipment at all times whilst working on your vehicle. Gloves and hand sanitizer will be available at all reception areas for your convenience and as an additional safety precaution. We are now offering unaccompanied test drives as part of our social distancing measures. In addition, we now have vehicle collection and home delivery for both sales and servicing. All documentation will be signed electronically to minimise any unnecessary contact. Bank transfers and card payments will be taken as usual, or you may already be covered by any existing service care plan. Thank you for your continued loyal support of our business, and we look forward to seeing you again very soon.